marginal cost is just the derivative. Okay, it's the instantaneous rate of change of the cost of producing these products. So 100 minus 0.2x. We're supposed to show that the marginal cost when 100 washing machines are produced is approximately equal to producing one more. So all they want you to do for this part is plug in 100 in for the derivative. And so the rate of change of the cost looks to be 0.2 times 100 is 20, so that's 80. And then they want you to compare that to what would happen if you computed the difference between the cost of 101 machines by the cost of 100 machines. Okay, so that's what they mean when they say the cost of producing one more washing machine after the first 100 have been made. So C of 100, so 100 times 100 times 0.1 plus 1,000 plus 2,000. I've got 4,000 for C of 100. And 101, square that times 0.1 plus 10100 plus 2,000. Oops. Okay, hopefully I did that right. No, wait, that can't be right. 13,000. I made a mistake somewhere. Let me double check. 101 squared times 0.1. And then we've got 100 times 101. Add that together. Oh, that should be subtracting. Okay, so mess that up. That should be 101. Okay, 11,079.90 cents. Okay, I must have messed up when I plugged in 100. 100 squared times 0.1. I think I forgot to subtract this. Oh, I don't know. 100 times 100 subtracted by that answer. Yeah, I messed something up. So that should be 11,000. Okay, and then if we subtract those two, that tells us the cost of producing one more washing machine, which is different than the calculus part, right? At that instant, at 100 washing machines, it's costing us $80 more per washing machine. But the actual cost, since you can't produce like an infinitesimally small amount of new washing machines, the actual cost of making that 101st machine, the difference is $79.90. So that's all they're looking for in part C of this question.